Hello all, welcome to Naresh IT Labs. In this particular video, we are going to discuss about the arithmetic operator, which is plus, and also the concatenation operator, plus. So let's go into Eclipse. I'm creating a new class, concatenation concept. So public static void main I'm selecting, click on finish button. So in the previous videos, we have discussed about arithmetic operators. So in arithmetic operators, there is one of the arithmetic operator called plus, which is basically for adding numbers. Now, whenever you have some numbers, int number 1, int number 2 is equal to 20, and then I'm defining a variable called result. So I can use plus as a addition operator like this. So what this plus will do whenever you are applying for a integers, it will act like a arithmetic operator. So here, as you are adding 10 with 20, as it is a arithmetic operator, it will add the numbers and then it will throw the output as integer. So let me print this. So if you run the program, it would print the output as 30. So when you apply plus for a integers, for a integer family, then it will act like a addition operator. Suppose if I am applying for doubles, suppose I have a double values which is 12.4, number 2 is equal to 5.3, and I am defining a variable called result. So result is equal to number 1 plus number 2, and if I print the output, it would be printing as the double as a output. So when you apply plus for a double values, or if you apply for a integer values, that acts like a addition operator, which acts like a arithmetic operator. Now suppose I have two string values. So string course 1 is equal to Java. So your string value should be in double quotations. Course 2 is equal to Selenium. Now suppose if you apply plus for a string values, so directly I am saying system.out.println course 1 plus course 2. So if I am applying plus for a string values, the output is going to be string. So when you apply plus for a string values, that's called as a concatenation operator. Plus integer with an integer, it will return as a integer, which is called as a arithmetic operator. Now suppose same concept if I am applying for double. So here double with a double, so it will return me double, which is like a arithmetic operator. Now suppose if you are applying plus for a string, concatenation, suppose if you are applying for a string, with a string, this will give me as a string, which is nothing but a concatenation operator. Now, suppose the same concatenation operator, if you are applying for a string with an integer, it will give me as string, which is again called as a concatenation operator. So taking this example, suppose I want to perform addition of two numbers. So int number 1 is equal to 100, number 2 is equal to 200, and now I'm going to say result. Suppose if I go and perform this addition, number 1 plus number 2, and if I am printing the output, it will return me as integer. Because here if you see integer with a integer, 100 is a integer and 200 is a integer. Integer with an integer will give me an integer, which is a arithmetic operator. Now what I want to do is I am performing, let's say, subtraction. Number 1 minus number 2. And here I am printing system.out.println result. Now suppose I want to perform multiplication. Result is equal to number 1 into number 2 system.out.println result. So if I run the program here, it will print 100 plus 200, which will print me 300, and here it will print 100 minus 200. Here it's going to print minus 100. 100 into 200, it will print me the output as per that. If I run the program, it is giving me 300, it is giving me minus 100, it is giving me 20,000. Now suppose I want to print a more meaningful output, something like, so as of now it is printing as 300. So 300 is an integer. Now suppose I want to print a more meaningful statement saying like addition of two numbers is. So this whole thing is considered as a string. Suppose if I want to combine this with an integer, because this is a string, I'm combining with an integer, your output will be an string, which is a concatenation operator, which we can use here. So here I'm applying plus at the beginning, and in double quotations, addition of two numbers is colon. Now this is a string which I am combining it with a integer, which will give me a string like this. Now here I want to print subtraction of two numbers is plus, and here I want to say multiplication of two numbers is plus. So here I am combining this string with the integer, here I am combining this string with the integer, here I am combining this string with the integer. Now if you see the output, here you can see I have combined string with a integer, which is giving me as a string. I'm combining string with a integer, which is giving me as a string. I'm combining string with a integer, which is giving me as a string. So this is the difference between arithmetic operator plus and the concatenation operator plus. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.